Hey YouTubers, just want to show you what it's like being in a prairie blizzard. It's hard to tell how much snow we've gotten because we've got very strong winds. You can see it is gusting like crazy. I live in the town of St. Pierre, Manitoba, and I'm not French myself, but my wife is. And fuck me, is it ever blowing hard. But I just wanted to come outside. It's about 11 o'clock at night here. This is actually the main road through town here is Highway 59. It's a major north-south route. Connects into the States. We're still on Highway 59. This is facing south. If you went straight south here, drive for half an hour or 40 minutes, you'd be in Minnesota. Well, after you cross the border. Go this way, you'd end up in the city of Winnipeg, and going beyond, you'd end up in Grand Beach pretty much. You're supposed to get like minus 20 or something like that temperatures as the storm starts to let up. A lot of it says being wind driven. You can see where I walk down my driveway here. I'm going to have fun plowing it tomorrow with my quad. And there's the sidewalk. Neighbor's house. And you can't even see any traffic coming down the highway. Usually we got lots of truck traffic down here. Not today. Oh, there's a car. I'm also a volunteer firefighter, so I'm really hoping that we don't get any calls tonight. Yeah, my little house is getting buried here. I just went and grabbed a snow shovel so at least I can dig my way out tomorrow. Supposed to do this right until tomorrow afternoon or something. This is incredible. Hope it doesn't fill up our river trail too badly because it's so much fun quadding down there.